Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Klover's investment tracking tools. Let's get straight into it. So Klover's investment tracking tools provides a simple and effective way to track your investments, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to set that up. So first thing you want to do is to log into your Klover account. You can do that on the mobile app or you can do that on the website. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on investments and then select track investments. Now you're going to enter your investment information, including the investment type as well as the amount, and then just view your investment portfolio. There you can track changes to your investment portfolio over time. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Klover's investment tracking tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.